Hi students, so today we'll be learning problems on inverse of a matrix. So last class we have learned the concept of inverse of a matrix. As I told you, to be inverse which should be a square matrix and it should have the determinant should not be 0, right? These are the two rules which you have to remember. It should be a square matrix and the determinant should not be equal to 0. So then we have seen the formula for the inverse was A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, adjoint matrix of A. So this was the formula for finding the inverse of a matrix, right? So now we'll take an example. We'll find the inverse of this matrix 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. As you know students, we have to find two things here. One is adjoint, another is determinant. So first I will find the adjoint of a matrix. So what will be the adjoint? So obviously it is plus, minus and plus. So how will you find adjoint of a matrix? First you are supposed to find the cofactors of the matrix. So cofactor of 3. So what is the cofactor of 3? So it will be this and this goes, that is 2. Plus 2, right? So it will be plus 2. Yeah, sign is plus there. So now similarly cofactor of 1 will be what? So if you cancel out this and cancel out this, you will be remaining with minus 1. So the sign there is minus of minus 1, that becomes plus 1. So then again cofactor of this minus 1. So that minus 1, cofactor of that minus 1 will be what? So the sign again here is minus. So I'll first keep this minus here. So if you cancel out this both, you get 1. So it will be minus 1 only, right? So yeah, then what is the cofactor of 2? Cofactor of 2. The cofactor of 2 will be what? So cancel out this, cancel out this. What is remaining? Plus 3. So this is the cofactor matrix. So now just put the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix will be this plus 2, 1, minus 1 and 3. So now what is the adjoint of this? Adjoint of this matrix, let's just assume this is A. Okay, so adjoint of A will be what? It is a transpose of the cofactor matrix, right? Transpose of cofactor matrix. So if you do the transpose of this, it will be minus 1 this way. So this is our adjoint. We got the adjoint. Hope you have understood this. We got the adjoint here. Now we are supposed to find the determinant of the matrix A. So how will you find the determinant of the matrix A? So determinant of the matrix A will be, so as you know very well, for finding the determinant of matrix, let me rewrite this once again. It will be easy for you to understand. So now you can see, very simple it is. Okay, what is the sign here? Plus and minus, right? So what is the determinant of this 3? Yeah, so determinant will be like this, 3 of, okay, what is this? Into 2. Minus is already here. This into this. That's it, right? So minus 1 times 1. So that goes. So what is the determinant now? So determinant of A. So determinant of A. So that will be 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus goes plus. Then it will be plus 1. So finally it will be 7. It will be 7. So 7 is the determinant of matrix A. So now we have both the thing. We have adjoint of adjoint matrix and we have determinant matrix, the value, determinant value 2, right? As we have learned, a determinant is a value, right? Is a real number and it is a value which we generate, right? Now finally apply the same thing in the formula. So we apply in the formula, that is in A inverse. A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Finally that goes 1 upon, so what is the determinant A? It is here. Determinant A, we got it as 7. So that goes 7. And what is the adjoint matrix? Adjoint A. Adjoint A is 2, minus 1 and 1 and 3. So this is matrix which we have got. Finally, A inverse will be 2 minus 1 1 3 whole divided by 7. So now finally, what is the A inverse here? So what are you supposed to do at the last? You'll just divide each of this by this 7. So hope you have understood, students. So this is what is the inverse of a matrix. So you are supposed to do for all the other problems. Do it, and please let me know if you have any doubt in that. And I mean, we have got the notice like they're probably gonna start exams, and I don't know when, but shortly. So make sure that you revise once again. You people revise this things, and get ready for whatever it has to be for you. I hope things will go right. And yeah, and one more thing, you can also just divide this with this, okay, and that will be all for you. So it will be around like A inverse will be, as I told you, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. So this is what is the final matrix A inverse. Thank you.